Hi, in front of me is Infinix Hot 9 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap at the bottom right corner. You can click Got it. Choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, Set Wallpaper and tap on Home Screen. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!